Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make a rainbow smoothie in Roblox. First, you need to know the colors and the order of the rainbow. There's red coming in strong. Woohoo! Orange doing its thing. And then we have yellow. Ba 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 nay nay nay. Next up, we have pink. Oh, wait. Okay, pink, you're not part of this, so go away. No, include me, please, please. Shoe, pink shoe. Okay, back on track with green. And then we have the lovely blue. Next up, we have wait, what are you doing here, Black? I'm here to join the party. You're not part of this party. I don't care. Okay, now we're back on track. We have indigo. And last but not least, we have, okay, similar to indigo, violet. Great, now that we have all the basics down, we need to wash the fruits. Alright there, Red, enough with the dancing. You need to get washed. Jump in the pool now. Okay, now Orange is just having way too much fun. Orange, get in the water. Okay, Yellow, this is not a dance party. You need to jump in the pool and get washed.
But we're bananas. Who washes bananas?
Next up, we have Pink. Okay, Pink, why are you back again?
Because I want to.
No, Pink, you need a shoe. Leave.
Never.
Now we have Green, dropping like it's hot. And I guess last but not least, we have Indigo and Violet who decided to dance together. So dance your way to the pool. Alrighty, now that everyone's washed, it's time to put it in the blender. Oh yeah, I forgot. First, you need to add the milk because I like to add that first. Then you can add the freshly washed apples. Don't forget the oranges, but wait, we need to peel them. And then we need to peel the banana. Okay, wait, well, they already jumped in. I guess you don't even need to peel the kiwi. Nobody's listening to me. Okay, well, at least we don't need to peel blueberries. They just go right in. And last but not least, just add in whatever purple fruit you can find. I just put grapes. And well, there you have it. Just blend it all away. And now we have our... Wait, ew, why is it all brown and yucky looking? Don't forget to subscribe.